Unlocking the meaning of tie game in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that you might have heard in sports commentary or casual conversations: tie game. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what this phrase means and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's break down the phrase tie game. The word tie in this context refers to a situation where two or more parties have the same score or are in an equal position. The word game refers to a sporting event or competition. So, when put together, a tie game refers to a scenario where the teams or players involved have the same score. Now, let's look at how to use tie game in sentences. With only 5 minutes left, it was a tie game, and the tension was palpable. Both teams played exceptionally well, resulting in a tie game. In both examples, the phrase is used to describe a situation in a sporting event where the scores are equal. Tie game is commonly used in the context of sports like football, basketball, soccer, and many others. You will hear commentators use this phrase during live broadcasts when the scores are even. Fans and players also use it when discussing past games or upcoming challenges. It's also worth noting that the word tie can be used in other contexts related to games and sports. For example, the match ended in a tie. They have to break the tie to determine the winner. In these sentences, tie is used to describe a situation where the result is even, and no single party has won. And that wraps up our lesson on the phrase tie game. Remember, this phrase is most commonly used in the context of sports and games to describe a situation where the scores are equal. It's a handy phrase to know when watching sports or engaging in conversations about games. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident using tie game in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.